Hi champs, this might be the first time you are watching me. Well, if you clicked on this video, I assume two things. One, that you are a class 11 or 12 CBSE student. And second, you love computer science. You have computer science in your uh, six subject combination and you have a strong urge to learn it. My name is Orkut Duti and I am a tech enthusiast and a programmer for many years right now. I have been coding for 5 years straight and I am designing a new course on YouTube, completely free by the way, that targets students like you who loves computer science and wants to learn it. Well, students also having IP informatics practices can watch parts of this course like the Python programming part and SQL, but the rest of the things like logic gates and number system that is not useful for them. I think computer science should be very fundamental to everyone. Everyone should learn it because in this era of machine learning, AI, and data science, I think you need to learn how computers work on the basic level first. I have decided to post one video, not very long, 10 to 15 minutes max, every week, not every day, every week, so that you have the time to manage studies and computer science together. Because congratulations that you have taken computer science, that is a great subject, but you need to learn it, you need to study it properly to get good marks, and this will ultimately boost your percentage in boards in class 12. I don't expect a lot of people to watch this video because obviously this is my first time making a video on YouTube, and secondly, you don't know me, I don't have any credibility, and because of that I will be attaching my GitHub link in the description. Go have a look at my projects, what I make. Now, how not to approach this course. First one, please don't burn out. There's no rush, there's no hurry. Take your time, learn everything slowly from scratch. I'll be teaching everything from scratch so that even beginners have the chance to learn it like pros. Second, don't mug up things. Computer science is not a subject to mug up. You cannot apply that motto of commit to memory, vomit in paper here because it is just too complicated to remember. I will also create a GitHub repo just for this course. There will be projects listed there along with the video. I'll also upload codes that I discuss in the video or PDFs or diagrams I make into the GitHub repository. If you don't know what GitHub is, please check out some videos on YouTube on what GitHub actually is. It is very useful for teaching computer science or even showcasing your projects and all. You can post doubts, interact with me on GitHub, and I'll solve all your doubts. I don't expect a lot of people to watch this video, but if you do, please comment down on what you want to see first and what your interest is. If you like this course, should I make it? What language should I make it in? Will it be English, Hindi, English? Well, these are the only languages I know. And thank you for watching this video. I hope we have a great course. Everyone loves it. Thank you.